Look at our rainfall totals from the weekend. Pretty good, about 1.25 inches at Camp Mabry. Record-setting rain over the weekend out at ABIA. We're now up to more than 2.5 inches there. So we have a bit of a surplus for the month, but we could always use a little bit more. We still have moderate drought across central Texas. Let's take a look at some visibility issues. They aren't going to slow you down too much, but we have a little fog over our eastern areas. You'll notice at most probably in Giddings, LaGrange, and San Marcos, but again, still 5 miles of visibility, not enough to really slow you down this morning. A live look outside. Here's Bastrop County right now. We're starting to see the sun lighten up the skies, a little bit of the fog out there too. And again, we'll see clear conditions for much of your day today. So a really pretty start so far, 73 with calm winds and a touch of humidity right here in Austin. Across the state, we're seeing drier air filtering in now. This is our water vapor imagery. So where you see the clearest area there, that's a lot of dry air pushing into central Texas. It'll make for a really pleasant afternoon. It'll be warm, temperatures mid-90s, but the humidity is going to start going down this afternoon too. Good news there. Look hour by hour through our forecast. There's lunchtime, clear skies through the afternoon, no big changes or surprises. And then overnight tonight, still mostly clear, but up over the panhandle, maybe a little wet weather there. Not really going to affect us here in central Texas. Your forecast today, let's go 95 degrees. Tonight we'll dip down to around 70, another really pretty start to your day on Tuesday. And not bad on Wednesday either. Afternoons will be in the mid-90s all the way through, and temperatures climb just a touch toward the end of your week.